Volvo just dropped 3 trucks for 2026 that are so advanced. They make today's rigs look ancient. One can recharge faster than your lunch break. Another can cross entire states on a single charge. And our number 1? It runs on fuel you've never seen at a truck stop before, and could change trucking forever. Let's start with number 3. Kicking off at number 3, we've got a truck built for the modern workweek. The 2026 Volvo VNR. This isn't just an update, it's a total makeover for Volvo's regional hauler. One look at it, and you know it's designed for efficiency. Sharper body lines, an aerodynamic nose that slices through headwinds, and a stance that screams, ready to work. But the real magic is under the hood. The 2026 VNR comes in multiple flavors: clean diesel, LNG, and a fully electric variant. The electric model? It delivers instant torque and up to 455 horsepower, perfect for getting up to speed fast when every second counts. And with rapid charging, you can go from nearly empty to 80% in the time it takes to grab a coffee and a sandwich. Inside the cab, Volvo's gone all in on driver comfort. The driver's seat is wider with better lumbar support. The steering wheel feels solid but refined. And the panoramic windshield gives you crystal-clear visibility in tight city streets. You also get a smart dashboard that responds to voice commands, letting you control navigation, calls, or even climate without taking your hands off the wheel. Whether you're making short runs between ports, delivering across multiple cities, or handling regional distribution, the VNR is all about making those hours behind the wheel smoother, safer, and more efficient. It's proof that regional doesn't have to mean basic. And that's exactly why it lands in our number 3 spot. At number 2, meet the truck that's redefining long haul, the Volvo FH Aero Electric. Picture the FH you know. Then imagine it sharpened, streamlined, and built to glide like a bullet through the wind. Every curve, every panel, even the mirrors, all reworked to cut, drag, and squeeze every mile out of its battery. And about that battery, this beast packs a staggering 600 kilometers of range on a single charge. That's enough to go from Los Angeles to Phoenix without stopping. And when you do stop, thanks to the megawatt charging system, you can jump from 20% to 80% in under 40 minutes. Just about the length of your mandatory rest break. No wasted time, no compromise. Step inside, and it's pure Scandinavian luxury. The sleeper cab feels like a small hotel room, complete with a memory foam mattress, dimmable LED ambient lighting, and storage that's actually practical. Up front, the fully digital dash integrates real-time traffic, weather, and route optimization. It'll even adjust your speed and charging plan to get you there faster while saving energy. And here's something you won't expect: the silence. Electric power means no roaring engine. You'll hear the hum of tires on asphalt and little else. That calm, paired with Volvo's ergonomic seat design, means less fatigue on those 10-hour drives. More focus, more comfort, more miles without the grind. The FH Aero Electric isn't just about going green, it's about proving that electric long-haul can be practical, profitable, and even enjoyable. And that's why it locks in the number 2 spot on our list. And here we are. Number 1. The truck that could rewrite the rules of the entire industry. The 2026 Volvo Hydrogen Combustion Prototype. This isn't just another electric experiment. It's a full-sized, long-haul powerhouse that runs on something you've never fueled up with at a truck stop: hydrogen. Instead of diesel, it burns hydrogen in a specially designed engine, producing almost no CO2. What comes out of the exhaust? Mostly water vapor. But here's the kicker. You still get the raw pulling power and torque of a traditional big rig. That means it can haul the heaviest loads, climb steep grades, and keep up with the toughest routes without the emissions guilt. Refueling? We're talking minutes, not hours. Pull in, hook up the hydrogen line, and before your coffee's cooled down, you're back on the road. No waiting around for a battery to charge, no range anxiety on cross-country hauls. The design matches the ambition. Bold, angular lines, a grille that doubles as a cooling system, and lighting that gives it a futuristic glow at night. Inside, it's loaded with Volvo's latest tech: predictive terrain mapping, AI-assisted driving for safer highway cruising, and real-time hydrogen consumption data so you know exactly how far you can push it. Why is it number one? Because it could be the perfect bridge between the diesel past and the electric future. The performance truckers demand, the range fleets need, and the sustainability the planet is asking for. All in one rig. So there you have it. 3 Volvo trucks that prove 2026 is going to be a landmark year for the road ahead. The nimble, city-crushing VNR. The sleek, long-haul king FH Aero Electric. And the hydrogen-burning game-changer that might just save the combustion engine's legacy. Now, it's your turn. Which one would you take for your next run? Drop your pick in the comments, and let's see which truck the trucking world is rooting for. And if you're ready to see more of the machines shaping the future, hit that subscribe button, because trust me, this ride is just getting started.